Banking Movie Episode 2. So in this movie, we're going to create a database called Customer DB and a table called Customer and a table called Bank and Transactions. So I'm just going to open up my PHP and let's just make the screen a little bit bigger. So there's my PHP. Let's just browse for the files. And here's all my files, right? Control A, select all the files, open it. And great, I'm quite happy that all the files are in there, right? So now, let's look at Customer Startup. That's the first file that I'm going to create. PHP connect MySQL localhost is in the root directory. If I'm unable to connect, right, so I'm going to say, could not connect. And let's create my customer database. So MySQL select database, customer DB. What is customer DB? Right, $connect, that's my PHP variable. Create the table, and inside there I need customer ID, customer name, deposit date, and type. Now, if I look at my question says, and if I can get both on the same screen, it says customer ID is an integer of 13, or that should be 10. It's a primary key, varchar 15. Deposit is a date. Deposit type is varchar 6. So that's what happens out here, where I'm creating the table and customer ID, well, according to the question, it's 13. I think I hit a miss there. Let's see, I'll make that 13. And what else does the question says? The question says that varchar 6. There's varchar 6. Similarly, I'll create the table for bank. So let's create the table for bank. And create the table bank. These are reserved words. Create table. Bank name is a primary key. Just this word. Highlight it in capital letters. Primary key. Branch, varchar, branch code. And what else does the question say? The question says transactions. Create a folder, table called transactions. And so this takes in stuff from the customer table and the bank table. So let's look at that now. Let's look at that, what it says out there. Let's see how that's done. Okay, so there's it. I'm creating my table called transactions, customer ID, bank name, deposit, and it's the primary key from customer ID, foreign key from customer ID. It references the customer table and it links it with the customer ID. The foreign key is the bank name and it references the bank name. So it basically links the two tables together. Alright. And that's about it. Now the last part of it says insert data into the table, because that's what the question deemed necessary. Where's the question? There's the question here. So let's see what the question says. The question says, let's see the question. Insert the following: Absa Durban 61002, Standard Bank Johannesburg 41260, First National Bank Cape Town 5426. And that's what happens out here. This is how I insert my values. Again, a reserved word. And here's my validation or my error messages. If I'm unable to insert the data, I give it a message. If I was able to, I'll echo data has been inserted. Thank you. Hope you like it.